I just want to do God's will. And He's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to share with you all another free app. This app is actually called Pei. Pei has been around for a little while now. It actually is a great cashback app where you can get cash back at a lot of venues that we basically already shop at. But another good thing about this app, where they actually pay you $5 just for linking a debit card to it and using the app. That's all you have to do, people. Just link a debit card to it and just go to your favorite merchants that it already has, and you come down here to explore and look. Uber, Walgreens, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Whataburger, Chipotle, you see your Starbucks, people. You guys just come in here and just link your debit card to it. I actually link multiple debit cards to it, so just in case you won't miss out on no cash back. As of right now, I have $41 in my wallet, and I actually have about 20-some cent pending. But the cool thing about it over here, you can get Bitcoins. You can cash out for Bitcoins. So you in the Bitcoin world, look at that. You got Bitcoins. So it's just cool. So you just pick whatever you want to do. You can get a gift card. You can pay out. You can cash out through PayPal or Bitcoin, people. So this is dope. Only you have to do it is just put in this referral code. Once you download the link and link a debit card to it, put in this code right here, G0YEZU. Once you put that code in, that's how you're gonna get your $5. If you don't put the code in, you're not gonna get the $5. You see, one person completed the task, the other three didn't. That because that person linked their debit card to it and went and used the card. Well, you know what I'm saying? Went to a certain merchant. You see, I have a bad 7-Eleven habit, so they always give me bonus points on 7-Eleven. But you see, I shop at Trader Joe's, and you just click on Trader Joe's. They're actually gonna show you what debit card you use, calculate how much I spent this in the last 30 days. I spent $120 at Trader Joe's, got me some cash back, and and it's just wonderful, guys. Man, that's what I just wanted to show you, man. You guys download this app. It's called Pei. Link your debit card to it. Put in my referral code so you can be able to get the $5 and just use your debit card. Like I said, you can come to over here and search and go to a lot of different places. A lot of restaurants that up top. It should have how many? Let's see. But you see Subway. Ah, man, you just come in. Like I said, just come in here and search Dickey's Barbecue, Taco Bell, and it, like you said, it goes off your demographic location. Very simple. Like I said, whatever's nearby. Got some beta deals, and they actually got a cool thing right here. Is actually you spend $20, you get $2. So imagine you one of them coworkers that always go buy lunch for everybody. Why not come one of these places? You're already probably gonna go to McDonald's probably once a week and buy food. Why not get cash back for it? And you know what I'm saying? And when you want to make some cool money, just share your link, share your referral link, and get $5 once you refer a friend to it. So this is a dope app. I'm glad I got it. Glad I got started with it. So y'all go ahead, download it, get you some free money, download the app, link a couple debit cards to it so you can get this cash back. So if y'all found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.